Hello, second grade. This week you are reading Sit In, Four Friends Stood Up by Sitting Down. This week in writing, we will be using the OREO method to write an opinion on whether or not you think it is a good idea to have a sit in and stand up for yourself. You have this organizer in front of you to help you organize your thoughts. If you do not have this organizer, you can go ahead and print it out now, or you can just write your ideas and thoughts on a separate piece of paper. You will want to hang on to this paper all week because each day we will be adding more to it. Let's go ahead and begin. As you can see, we call this the OREO method. We call it the OREO method because each letter in the word Oreo stands for a different part of opinion writing. The O stands for opinion, the R stands for reasons, the E stands for evidence or examples, and the O at the bottom also stands for opinion, but it's restated in a different way. Each day we are going to focus on one part of opinion writing. Today, we are only going to focus on the top part. That's the O. The O at the top stands for opinion. Remember, an opinion is how we feel about something. It's not a fact. For example, I think the best food is pizza is my opinion. Not everyone might think that way, so that's why it's not a fact and it is an opinion. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write our topic sentence. This is the question that you are making your opinion about. So our question today says, is it a good idea to have a sit-in and stand up for yourself? Go ahead and pause the video while you write that sentence in the topic space. When you are finished, you can continue playing the video. Next, we are going to write our opinion. That is our introduction or the hook. It is the first sentence that people are going to read when they read your writing. Right off the bat, you want to tell the reader how you feel about the topic. Do you agree or do you disagree? Here are some different ways you can start your sentence. I prefer, I think, I believe, I feel, in my opinion. Once you pick your sentence starter, you want to think about how you feel about the topic. Do you think it's a good idea to have sit ins? Or do you think it's a bad idea? Remember, it is okay to feel either way because this is your opinion. So take a look at the example. I chose my sentence starter, I believe. So I chose this one right here, I believe. You can choose any one you want, or maybe you have a different one, and that's okay too. Then I stated my opinion. I believe that it is a good idea. So I'm thinking it's a good idea. Maybe you think it's a bad idea. Either one can work because it's your opinion. I believe that it is a good idea to have a sit-in and stand up for yourself. I restated the topic sentence. So notice how I have my sentence starter, I have my opinion, I say if it's a good idea or bad idea, and I restated the question so that readers know what I think is a good idea or a bad idea. After you have completed your sentence, double check to make sure you have started with a capital letter. Check your spelling. Make sure your sentence makes sense. And check for your punctuation at the end. When you are finished, Take a screenshot and upload it into SmartFox. Again, you will want to hang on to this because tomorrow you will be adding more to your organizer. We'll be going over reasons.